no, na the way we design with Best Center, the way we design the program is really a follow along. So parang as you guys can see na parang may parang pause muna siya tapos you guys can follow, right? So what we really want to show here is the fundamentals or the basic foundations that every basketball player needs to have, no, in order to become better at the sport, right? So, we also wanted to show talaga kung paano yung proper technique or proper form ng drills, no? And normally when we posted this, we were getting initial feedback from our viewers, no? Mostly kasi the people who are able to view our content are really moms or really parents, no, who are getting their kids into sports, into summer sports, right? And one of the feedback na we were getting from them is parang nare-realize nila, dati yung anak ko naglalaro lang sa basketball court. Pero ngayon parang mas naiintindihan na nila, ganito pala yung kailangan, yung tamang form, yung tamang technique para maglaro ng mas efficient and be more effective on the court. So, yeah, so far, that's it.
Yes, and I'd like also to add, it was mentioned earlier na the videos are progressive. So, maganda monitor natin. So, when it was designed, how many episodes do we have?
12.
There are 12 episodes. We only saw the first one. So, maganda nito, you can stop. You can do it in a school setting, you can do it in a family or home setting, or you can even do it in a barangay setting. No? And why basketball? Nakita natin, we are still a basketball country. No? Marami sa atin, we are big fans of it. And oh yeah, okay. Yun. So, we are basketball fans, no? Kaya nakikita natin malaki to. And the opportunity, the impact that it can create. Kasi ngayon, nakikita natin siya, we appreciate the video sa malaking screen. But imagine, those who are in the highlands of Bukidnon, those who are in the far places, siguro ng mga islands natin, basta you have your phone, you have your internet, you can already access and you can get information. And going back to how we want to address the lack of access of sports sa mga Filipino kids natin, parents sign up their kids sa mga sports clinic. So, additional investment din siya. That's why one of the good things of the Milo Homework is that it's free. It is accessible, it is free, you can pause, play, repeat, and learn from it. Kaya ito yung kagandahan ng dinesign natin dito sa ating Milo Homework.
So far basketball pa lang yung meron.
So far basketball, we want to pilot it with basketball, test and learn. And actually, this is version 2 of Homework already. We did the first one during the pandemic. So that's how relevant and that's how Milo makes sure that we stay relevant, no? The first one, nakita natin, pero ang setting nun is nasa bahay din talaga lahat. Kaya kung maalala nyo kanina sa video, kung wala kayo ng phones, you can have other markers or kung ano yung meron sa bahay. Diba sa atin, kahit sa mga barangay, yung mga basketball court natin, yung mga makeshift na Filipinos are resourceful, lalo na yung mga fans eh. Makikita mo may mga basketball ring sa mga coconut trees. Meron sa likod ng sari-sari store. At meron din yung meron sa bahay. Kaya that's one of the things na gusto natin na ma-capture din. Yung love of the Filipinos for basketball and yung kanilang use of digital or yung mga mobile phones.
Looking forward, ano pa yung mga sports na included sa home court program? Ano pa yung tinitingnan nyo yung mga sports?
Well, currently we have basketball, pero for next year, of course, we're looking to expand to volleyball as well, and then possibly into running as well. So, if you notice, no, these are the sports na talagang mas madaling i-access and doesn't require too many facilities. No? So, I think really the point of home court is to get as much people or as much kids as we can into sports, and hopefully it does that.
Right, and I'd also like to add that we also take pride of our partnership with Best Center. And imagine, it's like signing up for an actual Milo Best Center Sports Clinic, but you get it for free. You get it at your convenient time, and whoever it is. The modules and the instructional videos are designed by Best Center also. And kinailangan nilang i-tailor fit ito. Because as you know, iba kapag yung on-ground na sports clinic. You have your classmates, but it did not stop us or it did not limit us to create a program to provide more access, especially in the form of, in a digital form. Kaya yun po yung makuha natin, free scientific sports clinics with Milo Best Center through the Milo Home Court.
Downloadable po ba yung video? If in case, meron kasing area na ito malakas na yun. Anuin ko na, take advantage ko na, download ko na yung videos. Pwede bang ganun?
Well, the nature of the video kasi is embedded into YouTube naman. So I think YouTube has the capabilities to download, pero depending on your account.
YouTube format naman.
YouTube format.
Yes, and if I remember correctly, we already have more than 1 million views since we launched this. When did we launch this? April 1st. We already have 1 million views, and parang konti pa nga yun, Sir Randy, yung mga 1 million views, no? Kaya we are really looking forward to sa mga partnerships natin. We want to bring home court wherever our partners are as well. Like for example, we envision it na pwede gamitin ng ating mga PE teachers, or kapag meron tayong summer camps with grassroots programs sa mga LGU. Because again, this is free. If you have, this is only 3 to 5 minutes, but per module, per session, or per episode. Yeah, yes, per module, 3 to 5. But yung nakita nyo kanina, pwede siyang gawing instructional guide talaga. May facilitator or merong coach, and then gagayahin na natin. So, if you can imagine how fun it will be learning with this module or with this platform, malaki po yung maaabag natin sa grassroots sports development ng Pilipinas.
Nag-start na ba kayo ng partnership with an